So what's up and welcome back guys, and in today's episode you're gonna see some really hardcore video though. Something like this. So from here it's kind of rideable, but out over here it's kind of difficult. It's cold today and yeah, I think it's gonna be a good day. I've got some couple of riders joining with me today. Hello Silent, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
Today Silent is gonna help us. Yes Milanda. Ani ke cha anda trail ko? Amit bhai is here with me. Yes Amit bhai. And he helped me last time to do this trail, and he's here to shoot my video today. So this bike is gonna stay, and Landub's bike is also gonna stay, this bike, because he just came from Rabungla. Alright guys, we are ready. Let's see Milan, how is he doing? His height is kind of short, so it's gonna be very difficult. Alright, the hardest section is done. So Milanda tapeko usma ke hड्किरहेको छु. So alright, let's go ahead. Alright, so guys, we have come to this section over here, and from here it's kind of very difficult. It's not rideable, so we're gonna try to explore the new parts. So yeah guys, as you can see over here we got prayer flags as well. So let's go. The trail is yours. Okay. right, this was the section that lifted me. Ooh. Roddy. Okay. This is very steep than that one. So Landup is gonna help him. Nice boy. Nice. All right, so we're gonna try it one more time. Oh, this is the problem that we are having. We are losing power. I don't know how. Yeah, boy. Woo. You want the turn too. Pretty tired, man. This is very tiring. So I'm gonna go down again and try to come up different route, because this is the only section that we are planning to do today. So Milan is down there, he's trying to come up, so we're gonna go down again. Yeah guys. Alright, so guys, we came down here again and we're gonna go up again. So we're gonna try to go through new section. On uphill we are kind of losing power. I don't know why. Is it because of the cold or the altitude? I don't know. We used to come here, but that time we didn't have such issue. फिर जा रहे हैं नीचे। All right. Nothing happened. So the log that I was practicing recently, that helped me out to do pivot turn on the trail as well. So yeah guys, the practice is working out. All right guys, so I think, are we done?
We have to go one more time.
I had a little bit of crash and I kind of twisted my ankles. I've got a small pain in my ankle, so I hope it's not that bad. So yeah guys, now it's gonna be a challenge to take the bike up to the road, because that section is pretty badass. So yeah guys, see you guys in a bit. Pretty steep, and this is not drivable, so my GoPro battery is low, so I'm gonna see you guys in the road. So yeah, we're gonna carry it. As you can see, my bike, you cannot ride in this. So yeah guys, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so guys, we finally made it to the top, and in the last section we had to carry our bike, so everybody's tired. And yeah guys, we had a lot of fun, and I was learning some pivot turn, and which I could use it on the trail today, and I am very excited about that. And yeah, I would like to keep it till here to this vlog. Landu bhai, Amit bhai, Salinder, I would like to thank everybody, and yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, keep on riding.